Hello, welcome back to CAPSIM Foundation, new winning strategy. In this series of video, we will see how to use 4 products to win the game. In the last strategy, we used 5 products, and now we can use only 2 products for one segment and still win and lead the game. And in the previous video, we have checked the industry condition report to create the Excel file and speculate for 8 rounds with drift only and also the ideal position. And also we look at the low tech and high tech buying criteria to decide. The low tech will have 18,000 for MTBF, and high end we will have that around 20,000 for MTBF. The first product Able has a 6.8 for performance and size 13.2. That is just good enough for 4 years. We don't have 4 rounds, so we don't have to reposition that right now. And we created a new product for high-tech A8E1, a high-end number 1. The new product will be ready from round 2. So the first round 1 we just do research and development, and we put that the plan ahead 1 round. So next year a new product will be available. And now for the first year is quite special. First year is quite unique because we have to produce 1 product to cover both segments. So we set the price around 34.50 because it is the first year. We don't know how the other competitors will set their strategy. So just try to put that the most effective we can do. So the price we push to high is 34.50, and then we take that last year we have 2 million net profit, so net profit is not so important. Sorry, net profit is not so important for the first 4 rounds. But anyway, we want to try to win all the rounds, so we calculate quite carefully. So we get the number from industry report round 0 to calculate the potential market share. Using the Excel file is more convenient. So we use Able to cover 2 segments. Now Able sold 1,200 last year. So now we can calculate with the market growth and the potential percentage of 16.7% for each segment. Then we will see. Okay. So sales of for both segments 7,200 multiplied by 16.7%. And also we estimate that the growth of we have the growth of market share. Growth of the market is 1.2 for high end and 1.1 for low end segment. So we multiply by 1.2 in case we can sell the most. So we have calculated the focus of 1,443. So we also can produce maximum 1,600 because we have capacity of 800. So to take advantage of the first round, we will try to produce close to 1,600, so that we have more sales from the first round. And we remember we need to add about 300 and 3.0 automation for the new developed high-end product A8E1. So also we have limited budget for 6,948, so we cannot get more capacity. So we get as much as you can, 380 for capacity and 3.0 for automation for the new product. Then we move to we check the focus again to make that as effective as possible. We can adjust the price a little bit up and down 50 cents to see how contribute how the sales and the profit and potential will fluctuate up and down a little bit to get the better value. Then now we can again you remember to add new capacity for the new product, otherwise next round we will not have a capacity to produce. We need to add 300 or 380, and then the first round we get as much investment capital as possible from finance. We get long-term debts and also issue stocks. And also we check that we sell the 50,000 and get some net profit. Again, net profit not so important, but try to get a few million net profit for the first few rounds, to for example, or 3 or 4 million, for example. That's just enough. So if you want, we can produce on 1060 full capacity. So the second shift, the factory produce 100% over time. That is for the first year. We can try to optimize the capacities and take advantage of selling at the full market, because at this round no competitors produce have more capacities or have equal 800. And alright, we can change the marketing to 1550 and we produce around 1600. Contribution margin looks around 19.6%. is good. We can review on the decision again, and before we submit, we need to review the decision at least 1 or 2 times to make sure everything is as our plan and avoid the typing mistake, because after the round is processed, so we cannot fix that. And also we check the revision date for the products around July or June is better, June or July. So we have half year to sell new product, and half first year to sell at the current specification, performance and size. Also we can adjust sales and promotion budgets to keep that higher than our competitors, but do not need always 2000, because we just want to win the game with a better competitiveness. We don't have to push promotion and sales budget too high. We need to check the report activities. The first round, most of the companies spend around 1000, so we just can make it around 1200 or maybe 1500. That's the better for all the competitors. We will have more awareness and more accessibilities. And this is the result for round 1. We see that round 1 here, we see that we have good or average profits, market share, ROA, ROE equal to average compared with the others. And if you pay careful attention, you see that some competitors play better in different rounds, but we are improving gradually round after round. Stock price, profit, ROA, ROE, and capital is our advantage. And also we try to get stars. Margin from first round is not so good, but it's okay. And balance scorecard increasing from 47 to 57, 67, and 80 from round 4, and from round 5 to round 6 we will lead the game with this strategy. So we'll be patient for the first round to add new product and expand production. That's a way not in the normal business that we often do. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. See you later.